Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Vultr instances using backups and offsite replication. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Vultr account. Navigate to the Instances section on the dashboard. Locate the specific instance you want to backup. Click on the instance to view its details. Look for the Backups tab in the Instance Management menu. Click on the Backups tab to view the backup options. Enable automatic backups if they are not already activated. Select the frequency of the backups according to your needs. Choose the retention period for your backups. Confirm the backup settings and save any changes. Next, you may want to set up offsite replication. Navigate to the block storage section in your Vultr account. Create a new block storage volume for the offsite replication. Attach this block storage to the instance you're backing up. After the block storage is attached, format it if necessary. Use a secure transfer protocol to move data to the block storage. Consider using tools like RSINC for efficient replication. Schedule regular sync jobs to keep the data updated on the block storage. Ensure that the data is encrypted during transit for security. Once the data is replicated, verify the backups for integrity. Check that you can access your backups from the block storage. Document your backup and recovery procedures for future reference. Regularly review and update your backup strategies as needed. This will help ensure data safety and availability in case of an incident. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.